Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in this video right here, I want to show you how much I've made from YouTube in 2025. I'll be showing you my full analytics and how much I've made for the whole 2025. I won't say 2025 has been my best year yet on YouTube right here, but 2025 has made me the most amount of money on YouTube. Now, based on consistency and putting in the hard work, 2025 has not been my best year. Now, when it comes to revenue and how much I've made so far in YouTube, 2025 is the best year, right? Now, before I go further to this video, happy new year to my amazing family. Now, this is 2026 and it's going to be one of the most amazing year for us right here in this community. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into my screen as I share this with you right here. This is my screen right now, right? And I have over 19,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. January last year in 2025, I was having just only 4,000 subscribers, and right now I've grown to over 19,000 subscribers. Now, 2025 has been one of the most breakout year for me in terms of subscribers and revenue. Now, towards the end, there was a lack of consistency, and I just break down on YouTube right now due to many factors. Now, one of these factors was that I was having channel violations. Now, YouTube came heavy on my channel, and I was having strikes on my channel. This made me just have to hold my break, and you also have to pause for a while, have a thoughtful decision, at least re-strategize, right? Now, as you can see right now, I already have a channel violation, active community guidelines, right? Now, all this channel violation came from some of my old videos, right? Old videos. I don't know what YouTube was doing. Maybe they have to visit my channel again and start reviewing all my content. On an average, I get an average of 100k views, right? Out of last 6 months or last 5 months, I was having an average of 100k views every 28 days, right? Now, right now, I have over 9.7k views. This is because for a very long time, I have not created content, right? It's going to 2 months right now. I just have to have a break. My last 28 days right now, I have over 9.7k views, right? 6.2k less than usual, right? As you can see right now, YouTube is telling me that your channel usually gets 15,000 to 70,000 views in 28 days. My analytics is just going down heavily, right? But this year is going to be a bounce back for me. We're going to be going harder this year. So stay tuned to more content this 2026, right? Now, my watch time right now has went down to 382 watch hour in the last 28 days, and 197 less than usual. Now my subscribers count has went way down, right? I have over 222 subscribers in the last 28 days, and my revenue right now in the last 20 days is $23, which is very, very poor compared to a few months ago, right? And let's move down to revenue, straight to revenue, and let's see what I've made for the whole year of YouTube. Now we're already in revenue right now, so I'm going to just go over and just come over right here and just click on the last 365 days, which is the last 1 year. So before YouTube reflect this for us, let's come down and let's see the video that has made me the most money on YouTube last year. The video that has made me the most money is this video right here, how to get US number for free, which has made me over $213 right here. And this one right here, how to get cheap data in 2025, has made me over $183 right here. And how to create PayPal account have made me over $109 right here. And this one, three platform to get free US number, $30, and best freelancing platform, $20. So let's move down to how much YouTube has made me for the whole year. Now, before we jump right into that, as you can see, this is the graph right here for the year 2025. Right? If you come over to this very place right now, starting from 2025, early 2025, I was making around $1.3 every single day. So that has been my average revenue every day. I have my breakout on June, right? I was making an average of $6 to $7 every single day right here. As you can see, this one right here, I've made over $7.75 on a day right here, right? I have my breakout there. I have my breakout in June, right? I have my breakout in June, and everything came down right again to $1 in November, October, and December, and all of that, right? So that was when I was having strikes on YouTube, and many things came. My offline work also, this play very huge role in affecting my YouTube, right? My offline, I was so busy offline, and I had barely got time from YouTube. So I'm back this year. So let's jump down to how much YouTube made me for a whole year, which is 2025. Are you ready for this, guys? So for 2025, I was able to make over $885 from YouTube. Wow. I got monetized on YouTube last 2 years, right? And last year has been a breakout for me on my channel, and I know this year is going to be one of the kind. Now, to convert it to where I'm right now, because I live currently in Nigeria. Now, converting this to Naira is over 1.2 million Naira right now. I don't know why Naira is just dropping down right now. Naira is an average of 1.5 right now. I don't know why Naira is dropping down. Naira, please fight back. If you are hearing this Naira, please fight back. I beg, fight back. I just go beg you because I don't know why you are dropping down this time. That's 1.2 million Naira in a year, right? And this is a great return compared to a year I was not consistent and I was not putting down the work. Right now, when it comes to consistency and putting in the work, 2025 was not that year for me. Then when it comes to revenue, 2025 is that year for me. 2025 was the year I break out. This time last year I was over 3,000 plus subscribers. I'm right here right now. I'm over 19,000 subscribers, heading to 20K right now. I started with just my phone, my Android phone then, and that was all I have. I was doing it outside, and right now I'm still growing. Right, I'm still growing. It's just a step-by-step process. So this is what I made from YouTube in the year 2025. I'm going to also do this next year. You're going to be seeing this next year, right? If you find this content valuable, we are already 19K subscribers. So let me get to 20K right now in this video. So hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get to 20K right now in this video right here. If you have any question, any feedback right here, you are free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to all your comments right now. Thanks for watching this video again to this very end. I appreciate your time and effort to sit down and watch this video. I believe you got value. And happy new year once again. And it's going to be a wonderful year for us, right? Cheers to a year full of profit and prosperity, and an amazing one for that. So cheers, guys. So with that, I'll see you in my next video.